Red plus green equals yellow. Mixing red and green light creates vibrant yellow. Discover the magic of this additive color mixing technique. Blue plus yellow equals green. Combining blue and yellow results in a beautiful green. Explore this classic mix in both light and pigment. Red plus blue equals purple. Learn how red and blue create stunning purple hues. This combination is essential in both light and pigment. Cyan plus magenta equals blue. Mixing cyan and magenta produces rich blue. Discover the secrets of this vital subtractive color mixing technique. Yellow plus magenta equals red. Blending yellow and magenta gives us vibrant red. Explore this essential subtractive color mixing in art. Cyan plus yellow equals green. Mixing cyan and yellow creates fresh green. Join us to uncover this colorful subtractive mixing technique. White plus red equals pink. Adding white to red results in lovely pink shades. Discover the delightful world of this pigment mixing. Red plus yellow equals orange. Mixing red and yellow gives us bright orange. Dive into the exciting world of this vibrant color mix. Black plus white equals gray. Blending black and white produces various grays. Explore the versatility of this essential pigment mixing technique. Blue plus red plus green equals white. Combining blue, red, and green light creates pure white. Uncover the fascinating world of additive color mixing.